物極必反，物極必反。
It is a very wise idiom, or more accurate to say it is more than an idiom. It is one of Chinese belief. We believe when things reach an extreme, they can only move in the opposite direction. We will use it to remind people don't go to extreme, if not it will go bad. I can't find any similar idiom in English on web. If you know, please tell me. For example,
雖然生活艱難，但都唔使一日打4份工㗎，因住物極必反啊！到時病倒就唔好啦。雖然生活艱難，但都唔使一日打4份工㗎，因住物極必反啊！到時病倒就唔好啦。
In English, it means it's hard to make a living, but you don't need to work 4 jobs every day. Be careful of going to extreme. It turns out opposite. It is bad if you get sick at the time. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.